In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. The great thing about Wix Studio is its user-friendly interface, which allows for seamless customization and design flexibility. Whether you're creating a personal blog, an online store, or a professional portfolio, a drop-down menu can significantly enhance your site's navigation and user experience. Let's jump into the process. First, you'll need to go to Wix Studio. You're probably already familiar with this workspace, but if not, simply navigate to the Wix homepage and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in the editor, you'll have access to a variety of tools to help you build the website of your dreams. Now, let's focus on creating your drop-down menu. Locate the main menu on your site. Click on it, then click on Manage Menu. This will allow you to view the structure of your site, showing you a list of all the pages currently included in your menu. Next, click on the Add Item option. This will open a new window that allows you to add various types of menu items. Here, you'll be able to choose what kind of item you want to add to your menu. In our case, we want to create a drop-down, so click on the Dropdown option. After you've selected Dropdown, it's time to populate it with items. You can easily drag existing pages or items into your new drop-down menu. Arrange them as you see fit, depending on how you want the drop-down to look and function. This is useful if you want to organize related content under a single menu heading, making it easier for visitors to navigate your site. Once you're happy with the arrangement, click on Close to save your changes. It's important to check the appearance now to ensure that everything looks as expected. With the menu setup complete, click on the menu again and then click on Layout. This is where you adjust the visual layout of your drop-down menu. Choose Dropdown from the layout options and then decide on a container width. This helps with how your dropdown will appear visually to users, ensuring that it fits well within the design of your overall site. When you've set your desired layout, click Close to return to the main workspace. For further customization, click on Inspector. This tool is your gateway to a deeper level of design customization. Finally, click on Design. Here you can play around with the style of your drop-down menu. You can change colors, fonts, and other aesthetic elements to ensure that your menu aligns with your site's branding and overall look. Experiment with these settings until you achieve the perfect design for your drop-down menu. That wraps up our guide on creating a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. With these straightforward steps, you now have a functional drop-down menu that enhances your site's navigation. Happy designing, and don't forget to explore other features Wix Studio has to offer.